Welcome friends, myself Parma Chetan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the combo box control and how it's work. In last video, I give the brief introductions and demonstration of list box control. See, in list box control you see a multiple items and from that you can select single item also and multiple item also. But in combo box, it is contain multiple item, but at a time you can select only one item. That is the basic difference between list box control and combo box control. Otherwise, almost both are similar. Okay, so now see how it's work. So first you have to put. I'm just changing this form caption to properties window. Its name is a checkbox combo box demo. Okay, yeah, you can see I'm changing title. Now I'm placing here combo box control this. Just drag and drop. So it's my combo box control, and same designing I will be performed here, which I already performed in the last video. So one button for add, remove, display and close. So just setting all buttons alignment here proper way. Okay, 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 now okay, it's better. See, now I am providing a name of each and every controls. So just it's a combo box. Again I am filling here city name. So I am using DDL. It stands for drop down list, and it's drop down list for city. So I am providing here city. You can see here again. It's also have the properties items. It's same as a list box control. You can also provide static information also here, like just click and say I am providing my city name Ankleshwar and Bharuch. Okay, and say okay. So two cities already added. Now here in first button for add, so I'm just add, and in name properties I'm writing btn add. Same way here for remove, so btn remove, and in text you write remove. Start for display, so display here name btn display. Last for closing the form btn close, here text close. Okay, okay, sure. Now first we are performing we just now we run these applications and check is what it will be display. Okay, okay, to run this application click on this green triangle shape. Okay, so now our form is loaded. You can see here it's combo box control. Its cursor is blinking and down arrow is appearing here. You just click here, so it will be open for this two city name which we already given in items collection. Okay, you can select anyone here like this. Okay, now close these forms and performing some dynamic addition and dynamic removing from the item from the combo box list. Okay, so first for addition, what we are doing, we take one input from user, added items will be inserted into this box. for combo box control. Okay, so we just declare one variable, same coding in last video, data as string, then str data equal to input box, enter the studio name. Here you can provide caption or title name, message, and over. Whatever data user input will be stored into str data, and that str data will be stored into ddlct.items.add, and that data str data will be stored inside into combo box control. Okay, same way we are performing for remove also. So we are removing what? ddlct dot items dot remove. Here bracket you provide item name, whatever item you are selected. So again ddlct dot selected item. Okay, and for display you can provide message box dot show. Here ddlct dot text. Okay, we are doing some advanced form to select it, and here I am giving some appending value of this control. So ddl ct dot text, and caption I'm providing the message. Okay, and for close you know the code me dot close. So now our code is almost done. See how it's look and how it's work. So now we run the application. Okay, the form is almost done. See, here Ankleshwar and Bharuch two cities available. Now we are adding one more city from add. Okay, see, enter the city name. Now we can provide a city name here. Let's say I'm providing city name is Baroda this time, and say okay. So city will be added. See here, Ankleshwar, Bharuch, and see Baroda. This will be appearing here. Now I want to display this Baroda city, so just click on display. So you select it, Baroda. If I change Bharuch, you select it, Bharuch. It's perfectly working. Now suppose I want to remove Bharuch city. So remove, its city will be removed. You can see Ankleshwar and Baroda. Only two cities available. Bharuch is already this drop. Okay. And the last is a close, so we will close the form. Once again I am showing you the same thing here. You see here two cities available. I am also writing something. That means any editable facility is available if you are not setting its default setting. Okay, it means not that this item is added in the list. See, only two is available, but as a just like a text box, you can modify or editing this control. If you want to restrict these things, then you perform on properties, right click, properties, and here you can find drop down style. By default it's a drop down, you just change it to drop down list. Now it's not editable. See, so only Bharuch and Ankleshwar is available. No one can be allowed here. Okay. Good. Now suppose if I want to add, so add. This time I am writing Surat. Okay. Surat will be added here. So not an issue for add, remove, and display. Like Bharuch display, you selected it. Okay. This is the proper way, or I think this is the best way to selection from the given list, because user can be updated your data or can be modify your data. So if you want to restrict a user, so you can be change its properties to drop down list. Okay friends, so we are stopping here. If you like this video, then you can like the button. You can comment about this video. If you have any doubts, queries regarding this video, you can also mention this comment inside this. You can like this my channel, subscribe these channels, and goodbye. Have a good day.